Hey, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to get free PlayStation Plus here. As of September 2025, this is going to get you a 6-month to 12 months free code that you guys can go ahead and redeem. I'm going to run you through the exact process. This isn't a scam, and this isn't like ads or all this stuff. This is actually legit how to get free PS Plus. No trial and no credit card required. We're going to get a free coupon code, and I am going to show you guys how to get it here today. You're going to basically get literally all the games that come out every month for free. And when you subscribe to PlayStation Plus, I'm sure you know you can play online. And also you get those free games that if you download, you actually get to keep and play them for a long time. So I have been using this method for quite a while. This is 100% legal and completely for free, and I am going to run you through what to do. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get your coupon code now. The first step to getting your subscription code is to visit the website couponhive.store. This can be done via your computer, but it's recommended to use a mobile device as the procedure of getting your code is easier. Once on the website, search PlayStation on the search box. Click on PlayStation by the brand's result, and you should be redirected here. On this page, select the PS Plus free code by clicking the Get Code button and then the Show Coupon Code button. When generated, you go through a verification process to stop bots from obtaining all available keys. The verification process is required and helps sponsors provide new keys. So take your time and follow the steps to complete 2 offers. Once completed, you will be redirected back to the home page. Navigate back to the PlayStation brand page and select the PS Plus free code once again. The code is revealed and ready to be used for your order. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive deals, discounts, and shopping tips.